Oh, of course. It has to be the back rod, the one no one's watching. Live bait. Let's see. Let's see what we catch on live bait. We got something on live bait. We got a heifer tree, and what else? No, the tree is still with us. Trying to break away. Well, I gotta get hedge clippers when I fish here too. One more. Okay. A bowfin. Well, he's hooked different way. So you want to catch what other kind of fish you want to catch? Wow. No, no, no. We've seen that show before. I don't want to get splashed. And I did anyway. I'll tell you, it's hard to beat a boat for the fight that he puts up. You're looking for the anchor. You know what? Let's bring him in. Okay, let's wrap this around our hand. Come on. Okay, I should have him open up the bail. Woo. That's about what I've been catching. That's an average size. You already swallowed the sunfish. The only thing that was left was the hook. Keep this around my wrist at all times. When I pull this, it releases him. Ready? They are a hardy fish. He'll survive. But This one I threw into the bank there. And I got that one that way. Something different. Let's get another one while they're biting. Well, I think we have another bite here. I'll tell you, this was my favorite place to fish. I think we have another bite. Let's get this one out of the way. And there he goes. He's moving. He's moving to the middle of the river. Okay. Okay, you see it? This is about the fourth hookup I had. The other three I lost. Well, locked in. It's locked in. I'm reeling it in a little bit. I'll put some circle hook. So you don't want to set the hook, you just want to, that's it, that's it. You don't feel that big. He doesn't feel that big at all. It's coming in nicely. I don't even know if it's a bowfin, to be honest with you. Because he's not jumping, he's not splashing, he's not, okay, see, this is right here. This is where you loosen up the drag. Okay, good. Now, I didn't lose the other ones because my drag was tight. You see, look, that's a bowfin. It's got to be a bowfin. He just realized he's caught. Trying to shake the hook. He's trying to shake the hook. This is a wimpy rod. Look at this rod. Look at this rod. Hey, but it doesn't break. He's looking for the anchor. Hey. Hey, he's not as small as I thought. He is not as small as I thought he was. Okay, let's watch the show here. Watch him splash me. Oh, he's hooked pretty good. Perfect. I mean, perfect hook set. He still might get away though. Okay, let's bring him in, release him, and go get another one. You ready? No, I'm not going to bring him in a kayak. Come on. Woo! That was a good hookup. He wasn't going to go anywhere. Did you see any of those teeth? You don't want to put your hand in his mouth and lip him. Uh-oh. Now this is going in a different direction. Now let's see what's going on here. Okay, I got him. I got him back. Something is definitely happening here. Sit. Okay, set the hook on him. Got him. Okay. Okay. Nice. Yeah, baby. Okay, the drag is perfect. He ain't going nowhere. I think he's wrapped around. Get this out of the water. Whoa, whoa, whoa. See what I'm talking about? What kind of fish is going to give you that kind of a fight? I'm telling you. This. Oh, now he's wrapped around this line. That's not a good thing. Let me see. Can I do anything with this? Probably not. Which way did he go? Okay, I got that out. Well, I tell you, they get around, don't they? Whew. I forgot about number 3, Rod. Woo! What are we doing here? Well, I'm all wrapped up. Let's see. How are we gonna do this? Okay, I got him. Boy, I tell you, they are hungry today. Let's see, make sure this bait run is open in case he gets away. This rod is going to be in the water. Okay, that's safe. Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa. What do you think? That's what I'm talking about. This is why I fish for these. They jump out of the water. I'm gonna give them the bait. Give them the hook, and I think it's one like this that knocked my camera over. See it. Oh, what a beautiful fight. Let's do it again. Well, how did you like it? Part 3 is coming up. New Year's Day.